Exciting changes are happening to mobility in Los Angeles, and the new Expo line is leading the way. First-class cities across the country and around the world have been operating at-grade light rail systems safely and efficiently for decades. From Melbourne to Madrid to Minneapolis, passengers travel safely on light rail every day. Operating since 2003, the Metro Gold Line, one of the safest light rail lines in the country, has provided safe and convenient transit service through residential communities and near schools.
I think the kids have generally gotten to understand, the safety and the rules of being around trains. They have sat and waited for the trains to go by, so they're understanding like the ability or the conscientiousness to watch out for the trains.
There's a number of things that we're doing to make sure we keep the public safe when the trains are introduced into the environment.
The Expo line will be built according to the same safety standards as the Metro Gold Line and will include the best design elements and safety features of modern light rail systems.
We have these state-of-the-art safety protection equipment that we installed on the alignment, and you're seeing tremendous results from a safety standpoint by using this equipment, and that's what we're using here. It's what was used on the East Side line, and I think you're seeing very safe light rail with this implementation of safety equipment.
The Expo line will operate with state-of-the-art safety technology, including flashing lights and bells at grade crossings to provide visual warnings of approaching trains, countdown timers at crosswalks to alert pedestrians of the time remaining to safely cross the intersection, enhanced crosswalks with signs, striping, and audio features to assist pedestrians.
We've taken the lessons that we learned on Pasadena, which is one of the safest, and actually improved upon that.
Operational safeguards have also been incorporated into the design of the Expo line, including 4-quadrant gates and vehicle detection loops at the intersections to prevent motorists from driving around or through lowered gates, pedestrian gates and swing gates to enhance the warning for pedestrians when the train is approaching and force pedestrians to stop prior to crossing the tracks. Fencing, barriers and landscaping along the right-of-way to discourage crossing of the tracks except for at designated crosswalks. Signs such as no left turn and train coming to reinforce awareness for drivers and pedestrians.
The Delmar Station Gold Line stop, where our Archstone is located, it's marked very clearly where the train is, where the pedestrian crossings are, so none of the residents have had issues with that.
To further encourage safety, Metrorail's safety education program, promoted through area schools, teaches rail safety to children, teens, and adults.
We think with all of these improvements in the area that the light rail can integrate safely into the neighborhood.
Just crossing a regular street only has sidewalks, that's not going to keep my kids from running into a road, but a train crossing is actually going to have a gate that comes down and blocks the sidewalk. So to me, the train crossings are going to be the safest crossings in the city.
The Expo line will help get LA moving.